Hello friends, welcome to another very interesting video. Imagine that you are making a delicious biryani at home and an idea came to your mind, why not to start a takeaway service of your biryani from your home so that customer can book an order on cell phone and he will collect it from your home after a specified duration. Then, how will you supply that biryani to the customer? Whether you will give the complete vessel to the customer? What is your answer? Definitely no, isn't it? Then what you are going to do? You will think about packaging, isn't it? In this session, we are going to discuss about packaging. So, to know more about packaging, don't skip any part of this video and stay tuned. But before that, you have to do a very little thing for me. What is it? Before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications of my further videos. Hey friends, I am Amit Belekar and let's discuss the concept of packaging. After going through this video, the learner will be able to define packaging, describe the elements of package, describe the role of packaging. After manufacturing various dosage forms, it is essential to store them properly. The drug should remain stable till it gets used by the end user or till its expiry. The stability of the drug during its storage is dependent upon various factors including packaging. Containers or packaging is an integral part of pharmaceutical product. The basic purpose of packaging is to protect the integrity, purity, potency and quality of the product. It is also important in material handling, storage and transportation. Let's discuss how to define packaging. Packaging involves 3 M's. First M is material. Second M is method. And third M is machinery. It is also a science and technology. It is to pack the product. If we rearrange these words, we can define packaging as science and technology deals with the material, method and machinery used to pack the product. So what is the definition of packaging? It is a technology and science that deals with the study of materials and methods used to pack the product and also deals with the machinery used for packaging the product. Let's discuss what happens due to improper packaging. The final pharmaceutical product ultimately comes in direct contact with containers and closures. Improper packaging and poor quality of containers and closures may lead to destabilization of the drug, producing serious, unwanted or toxic effects in the patient. Even though a product is formulated well, it may become useless and toxic when it reacts with the container material. Now, let's discuss the elements of a package. A package consists of following elements. First, the container. Second is the closer. Third one is a liner. Fourth one is the carton or outer cover. And last but not least, the box. Let's discuss them one by one. The first element is the container. The container is the element of a package in which a product is placed. The next element is the closure. The closure is the element that seals the container and prevents evaporation of the drug and prevents the effect of moisture, oxygen, bacteria, etc. on the drug. The next element is a liner. Liner is a material that is inserted in the cap which produces a perfect seal between container and closure. The next element is the carton or outer cover. It gives protection for mechanical and other environmental hazards. And the last element is the box. The box is the element of a package in which multiples of the product are packed. The box usually contains a suitable shock absorber or cushioning to protect the product from the mechanical shock, especially during transportation. Now let's discuss the role of packaging. The first role of packaging is protection. It protects the product from the environment and the environment from the product, vice versa. It gives protection to give physical and chemical stability to the medicine by preventing it from exposure to light, moisture, oxygen, bacteria, volatiles, etc. It also prevents the product from mechanical trauma and damage during transit, distribution, and storage of the product. It also gives protection to maintain product integrity until its use or the expiry date stated on the label. The next role of packaging provides all necessary information on it as follows: for identification of the medicine and its strength, for safe preparation of the medicine if required, like in case of reconstitution products or dilution products, for proper use of the medicine, information for storage and shelf life of the product, and information about appropriate disposal of any unused medicine and the packaging itself. The next role is to help the patient in enabling accurate dosing and compliance by providing various spoons, cups, or syringes for oral dose measurement and delivery, or providing dropper tubes for eye, ear, or oral delivery of the drops, or by providing applicators in case of pessaries. Also by providing dispensing devices, actuators, and pre-filled syringes, and by providing dose counting devices. Now it's time to summarize the session. First, we discussed the definition of package. Then we discussed containers, closures, liner, carton, and box are the various elements of a package. After that, we discussed package is useful for protection, identification, and accurate dosing of the dosage form. Thank you for watching this video patiently. If you think this video is useful, please like it and share it with your dear ones who will also get benefited from this video. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. If you have any query, ask me in the comments or on my mail address. Thank you once again and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.